Welcome to Alan's room tour. For the record, I don't do room tours, Melissa does room tours, but she doesn't have a voice right now. So we are here in Hyatt Centric Ginza. Ginza is a main district in Tokyo. So come on in, I'll show you around this suite that we got here. We did use one of our suite upgrade certificates for this suite. So we booked it on points using the Chase to Hyatt transfer and all that good stuff, as we always do. Hyatt has always been the best like redemption, but quickly, okay, in the front, we have this, basically it's a closet. So this essentially just closes off like this. I think both closes off, yeah. This is like a closet. It's the first time I've seen a closet like this before, but we got a couple robes. This is where you hang your clothes. Actually, I like that because it's out in the open. Got a luggage rack, and then another thing for luggage up here. And it looks like you can store, oh, this is a safe right there. We got more storage down below. Nice, and then we got robes or pajamas. That's nice, might take advantage of that. And then over here we have the washroom, or the toilet room, basically. Very nice. So that's one of two toilets that we have. And then a nice big full length mirror right here. Over here, we got double sinks, which are really good. And I just noticed these are cool little details. And yeah, we got two sinks, very nice. And then in here is the very traditional Japanese shower and bathtub combination, which actually works really well for giving Avery a bath. I kind of like it. And then over here, we got all of our towels and diaper bin, mirror. Okay, night time. No shoes on the bed. Okay, so this is a queen or a king size bed here. They do put air purifiers in here. We got one here and then one in the next room. And then we got a really long desk over here. Wow, that's actually really nice. So we can put all of our things up there and then plug all of our stuff as needed. And I just noticed this is a good sized TV. And then walking in over here is like the living room area. This is really nice, a nice little lounge, couch, chair, and another desk. This is really nice. We can really spread out over here. And then Avery wants to go explore, so we'll let her do that. You got two waters up here, and what's cool about this room and this Hyatt Centric is actually this, I believe you can keep these water bottles. These are free for you. There's a water fountain up there that you can fill, but I don't know if this is free or not. We'll find out. But over here is our second toilet room. And then let's go show you what we got as a little welcome gift before Avery destroys it all. So over here, it was our anniversary earlier this month, and then it was my birthday 4 days later. So we got these little nice notes from the team here at the Hyatt. So we got little cookies that Avery wants to really eat. And then let's see what's in here. All right, if I can figure this out. Okay, there we go. Oh, more cookies. Oh, it says happy birthday. And then even more cookies over there. Lots of cookies. Avery, you want a cookie? Cookie. Okay, he can have a cookie. There you go. All right. So that is the little quick room tour of the Hyatt Centric Ginza. Really nice location, by the way, because literally downstairs, Melissa was walking out and she saw a Lamborghini earlier. When we were walking out, we saw a Bentley, not a Bentley, a Rolls. Yeah, it was a Rolls. And then there was, the Maybach down the road as well. So really great location. This is kind of like what we call the Fifth Avenue of Tokyo, basically. A lot of shopping, a lot of high-end shopping, a lot of good food as well. So perfect location if that's kind of your thing. So yeah, thanks for watching this quick room tour. Now we are going to go on a tour of the rest of the hotel. First, starting with the breakfast. It's a buffet. This is it's on the 3rd floor. The lobby is on a different floor than this. It's one down. They also have a bar that's connected here. You do get complimentary drinks if you have status with Hyatt, you get complimentary drinks every night, 1 drink per night, which is a really good perk. So we're waiting for the hostess and then we'll show you breakfast. All right, so breakfast is a buffet. To start off with, we have like little shumai, I assume it's pork buns. Looks great. Over here we have miso soup. And then all the condiments. Over here we have tofu. And then some side dishes up there. more side dishes. The Japanese egg omelet. There's sesame udon soup. So you mix those two together. And all the variety of juices, milks. We got like a protein shake. We got milks, 2 different kinds of milk, smoothie, flavored water, all the juices, grapefruit juice, orange, apple, vegetable juice, and they have yogurt up there as well. Here we have all the fruits. Japanese strawberries are amazing. We got kiwis as well, pineapple, clementines, apples. Here's a salad. And then over here we got the meats. We got different types of meat, smoked salmon, cheeses, all your breads over here. Then moving on over here, we got some more pastries. We got croissants. This is a chocolate one. And I think these are gluten-free if I'm not wrong. And over here we got more waffles and little sweets. We got donuts up there too. Wow, that's cool. Over here we have French toast, vegetables, mushrooms. We got hash browns, pork sausage, bacon, 2 styles, I guess. There's a thick cut one and a regular. We got noodles, chicken karaage, which is fried chicken. We got like a simmered egg dish and congee. And here we have beef curry as well. Beef curry and rice. This is Avery's favorite, so I'm glad they have that. And then on that side is the egg station, so that's great. And they even brought Avery a special kids plate. Avery, can you say arigato?
Arigato.
Say arigato.
Arigato.
Yay! Here is the high chair review. This is a really good high chair actually. Very stable. And it has a seat belt, which is good for Avery. The other hotels' high chairs did not have a seat belt. Not good for Avery. Now we're here in the lobby of the Hyatt Centric in Ginza, and I'll show you around really quick because there's actually some interesting things here in the lobby. If we want to go this way, let's go check out this little dog thing. So in the lobby, they actually have this dog like kennel area. It's actually kind of fun. The dog's sleeping right now, and then this is where it lives. This is the dog house, and then this is the area where it can play. And Avery really wanted to play with the dog yesterday, so that was pretty funny. All right, and then now we'll come over here. They have like a nice little, all the sitting areas and stuff. It's also kind of like associated with the Zegna store. So they have like lots of shops and stuff, or lots of things you can buy over here. And the other thing that's great is over here, they have 2 arcade machines. They have Pac-Man, they have Space Invaders, 2 very iconic arcade games, and you can play it for free. And they actually had a stool here yesterday where Avery was just playing with it, and it's really cute to see Avery playing Pac-Man. And then they have free, well, it's kind of locked up right now, but they have coffee machine. I think it's for cleaning. It's cleaning right now. They also have free green tea, coffee, all the things you want. So yeah, really excellent amenities here. I'm gonna grab a green tea to go. All right. Actually, I forgot they had even more stuff over here. They have all the free snacks right here. This teas, all for free. You can just come grab it 24 hours a day. Oh wait, they have even more things. I didn't even notice this yesterday. Candies, little stuff for kids, more snacks, even more snacks. So basically all the snacks. So yeah, that concludes our little tour of the Hyatt. Good morning and welcome back to another video here in Tokyo. Today we are making our way to the Starbucks Reserve Roastery. They have one here in Tokyo. It's in Shibuya. So it's about 35-minute journey using the subways and walking to get there. So